Hello! In this video, we will add a switcher for light and dark themes, and fix the styles in the dark theme. First we need to add a button. For this we will use the IconButton component. We also need two icons to indicate the current mode. Choose what you like, or you can take the same as me. I decided to make the buttons round, as for me, it's more beautiful. Now, in order to work with the theme, we need the useColorMode hook from Chakra UI. We need two arguments. Color mode is the value of the current mod, and the toggle color mode method is to toggle mods. Now we can display the icon corresponding to the current mode. And add a handler on click on the button. Great, when you click on the button, the icon changes, but the rest of the UI does not change. This is why I used constant colors for layout. Let's fix this. We do it by analogy with icons. I decided to choose the colors gray 700, 800 and 900. Next, I'll just fix each of my blocks. And here is a small problem. The drop-down menu is under the content block. Let's fix that. Great! Let's log out and check the pages for an unauthorized user. No edits are needed here, because we didn't set permanent colors. In the next video, we will create a component that will allow us to conveniently and reusably register routes for CRUD pages. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like. See you in the next video.